In this video, I'm going to show you how to set default browser in Windows 11. So first of all, on your Windows, click on Start icon and select Settings. And as you can see, it's opening. And this left side here is Apps. Click on Apps. Click on Default Apps. As you can see, lots of apps showing here on my laptop, and currently I'm using Google Chrome as my default browser, so I'm going to switch Microsoft Edge. So search here, just typing the browser name, then select. You can select a default web browser for by file type, as you can see, but you can set a default for all file types. Just click on set default, and as you can see, all the file types showing the Microsoft Edge. So when you open any links, it's automatically open go Microsoft Edge. So that way you can set default browser. Well, that's it. If you have any questions, please let me know in comments. If this video did help you, please thumbs up and share my videos. See you on the next.